In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Steam game updates. If you're tired of background downloads kicking in while you're working or gaming, this walkthrough will help you take back control without breaking how Steam works. Start with the game that's causing the most noise. Open your Steam library and right-click the game. Choose Properties, then go to the Updates tab. Look for the Automatic Updates setting and switch it to only update when you launch the game. This tells Steam not to download patches in the background. Instead, it will wait until you actually open that specific title. Just remember, if an update is required, Steam will queue it right before the game starts, so plan for a minute or two the next time you play. Next, keep Steam from waking itself up and checking for updates when you turn on your computer. Click the top left Steam menu, open Settings, and go to the Interface section. Uncheck the option to run Steam when your computer starts. With that off, Steam won't quietly sit in the background and search for updates the moment you log in. To make sure that change sticks, confirm it in Task Manager. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager, go to the Startup tab, find Steam in the list, select it, and click Disable. This doesn't uninstall anything, it simply prevents Steam from auto-launching at startup, which further reduces surprise updates and bandwidth use. For broader control across your entire library, open Settings again and head to the Download section. Set automatic updates to only update games on launch. This applies a library-wide rule so most titles behave the way you configured that single game, waiting until you open them to grab updates. Steam doesn't offer a true, permanent off switch for all updates, so combining this global setting with the per game option gives you the tightest control. A quick note on expectations: some games, especially online titles, may require the latest patch before they'll let you play. In those cases, you'll still see a short update when you launch. The difference now is that updates happen on your schedule, not unexpectedly in the background or at system startup. That's it. Thanks for watching.